Hello to all of my car guru shoppers and to all of my online car shoppers out there. Hopefully your car shopping experience just has been a good one, you know. This is Corey Wade, Car Guru Corey, right here at Bellamy Strickland, Chevrolet Buick GMC, right here in McDonough, Georgia. And today we're going to highlight a 2017 3/4 ton 2500 HD. This one here has a 132,000 miles LTZ trim level Z71 off-road package. Okay, it's crew cab standard box. This is the 6.0 gas engine. It is not a 6.6 turbo diesel. It is a 6.0 gas engine. Okay, and it has the retractable running boards on the back, tow package, of course, spring-in bed liner. You have the lights up at the top. We're gonna dive right on in. We're gonna take a look at it, and hopefully she'll put an end to your shopping. All right. Excellent tread on those tires there. Alloy wheels look great. They're not scuffed along the edges, and that's for all four. Driver's side, there's no scratches, no dents, nothing of that nature. Looks great on the driver's side. Power assist steps. Four-wheel drive. You see the bucket seats. 132, 340. That's directly off the odometer. Bluetooth. Remote start. Navigation. Android Auto Apple Play to allow you to transfer the app from your phone to the screen. It's compatible with iPhones and Samsung. Backup camera. Heated and cooling seats. USB. Got a converter. Single CD. Rear sliding window. With the wireless charging. Leather is still pretty good. No scratches, no rips, no tears in the leather, no smoke smell. You do have a rear entertainment. Clean floorboard. Jack, crowbar, everything in place. You have a small little ding back here on that tailgate. Kind of a spray-in bed liner. As you can see, you do not have the gooseneck or fifth wheel provisions in this. That spare looks good. Passenger side looks good as well. Like I said, there's nothing on this truck that will deter me if I was in the market for it. Oh yeah, I forgot to point this out here too. You have a small little crack here in that driver's side HD mirror. So a little ding on the hood. Well, not on the hood, the little ding on the tailgate, the little crack there. But other than that, this truck is in very, very good condition inside and out there. So, all right, 2017 2500 HD Silverado. crew cab, standard box, 6.0 gas engine, 132,000 miles, Z71, silver, jet black interior, LTZ, right here at Bellamy Strickland. I can see the out-the-door numbers, Carfax, any other information that's going to help you in your research process. And love to hear back. We'll go from there. Thanks for watching.